Hey guys, General Mechanic right here, another quick video. Today I just gonna share a little tip right here. I was working on this 2007 Chevy Express. We just did the transmission swap on this thing. The overdrive was gone, and so we had to replace the transmission. So what I'm trying to share with you guys is that as soon as we put the other transmission in, I went out on a test drive and check engine light came on with the P0758 shift solenoid B circuit problem, and so we went ahead and took the pan down, and this is what I'm gonna share with you guys. This is what I found. This is the old transmission. This is the core transmission that we took out of it, and this is the one we gotta return as core. But if you pay attention to this solenoid right here, what we didn't know is that the transmission we got had been dropped somewhere, and the pan was smashed in a little bit, and it hit both of the solenoids right here, shift solenoids A and B. And as you can see, B was the worst one to get damaged. And so what we had to do is take the pan down on that one right there on the van that's supposed to be the new one, and got the solenoids out of the old one, put it on there, and it's working properly now. So just wanted to share P0758. There's got to be a problem with the solenoid, so hopefully this can be helpful to you. If you got this code, go down there, take the pin down, check the solenoid towards the passenger side. That's B, this is A. So if you got that code, he might be telling you that this is fell in some kind of way, or there's some damage onto the solenoid itself. So hopefully this can be of help, and if you like the video, don't forget to leave thumbs up and subscribe. That's the main thing, because I got more videos coming. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.